Good afternoon, everyone. We are from PBLAN 605, and today we would like to present our project title is Cutscene Game 3D Fine Patria. Group Identity. First of all, we would like it to introduce our lecturer, Mr. Amirul, and the member is Muhammad Sultan Adriansyah, Fadila Ramadhani, Anissa Fahira, Rahel Marsaulina, Salma Dwi, Guslan Sapta Harahap, and the last is Raihana Mardia. Background. The evolution of the gaming industry requires experience that are not just interactive, but also feature captivating storytelling. Storytelling in games aids player in grasping their objective, boosts engagement, and enhances the overall gaming experience. An effective method for this is cutscenes that connect the narrative with the gameplay. Project goals: to create an introductory cutscene that has straightforward and understandable storyline for players, to produce animate visual that feature colors, lighting, and movement, to complete the animation project in accordance with the established production pipeline, to showcase the final outcome of the project through an exhibition. Project idea. This project involves the creation of the 3D game asset for Fine Patria and the 3D version of the game. Next is the mood board. Mood board is our reference to make project. Dramatic premise. Patria intentionally invite the player to join in a game of hide and seek. She appears for a moment, teases, and then disappears into the crowd. The players must search for her in different corners before eventually spotting her. But Patria escapes once more with a cute expression. Next, will present by Guslan.
Next is the character Patria the cat. First is the 2D version of the Patria that already made from the previous PBL. And next is the view of wireframe and solid view. We reduce the vertex as much as possible to the game. Next is the final 3D version for now of 3D character Patria. Next.
Next, this slide I will explain about our character. This is our NPC character based on Animal Crossing reference. We have both male and female NPC design featuring different hairstyle and color palette. Next slide. This is the 3D version of our female character. We are still on progress making the A texture, so she is a work in progress. Next slide. Next slide will be presented by Fadila Ramadhani.
Okay, thank you. I wanna present this Rumah Joglo. This slide have two Rumah Joglo reference, Rumah Joglo 2D version, and then have two wireframe Rumah Joglo and solid. Like this visual, this is a rendered Rumah Joglo final look, and then Rumah Joglo have four color palette. The next. Okay, this is modeling antique shop. This slide have to antique shop reference. Antique shop reference have to reference antique shop, and then have to one antique shop to the reference. And this slide have to wireframe few wireframe solid, and then rendered visual, and have to for color palette. The next present by Anissa.
So I will explain this slide. This is a visual reference and a 2D rendering of the Aceh Darussalam Mosque. And here is the modeling process, which includes wireframe and solid views. And here is the result of the 3D model I've done. And for the texture application, we use the following color palette. Next. The next slide is the burger shop, and here are the visual reference and the 2D version. Here is the modeling process, which includes wireframe and solid views, and here is the 3D model I create. For texturing, we use the following color palette. Next slide will be explained by Salma.
Okay, this is a bookstore featuring a visual reference. There is a 2D reference, and we have wireframe and solid view, and we also include a color palette and applied to the building of the final look. Next slide. Next slide will be presented by Guslan.
Okay, next is the police station. First, we have the reference from the police station. Next is the design of wireframe and solid view from the building police station, and the color palette also. And next is the final look from the police station. Okay, next slide is explained by Rahel.
Thank you. This slide shows the process of creating the 3D jam gadang asset for the Fine Patria cutscene. It starts from visual reference, followed by the wireframe stage to build the basic form, then the solid view with the initial material, and finally the render result in stylized look. The color palette combines warm tones with purple accent to create a visually appealing and harmonious design. And the next slide will present by Rehana.
Okay, in this I will explain this. In first place is our reference from tiny house or from PBL Patricia, Fine Patricia. In second slide we have of wireframe and solid for tiny house. In last slide we have finish of tiny house with our color palette. Next.
In this slide, we can see the 2D property version that we've converted into 3D. There are 3: park bench, rocks, street light, traffic light, menu stand, trash can, and flower. And the next slide will be explained by Sultan.
Next slide is proof of concept. Proof of concept is the B2 render from the environment. And the next slide is animation test. Animation test is the dummy from the animation. Thank you for your attention and time. That is all for our presentation about the cutscene 3D game Fine Patria. Thank you.